what can be happen when a light incident on an object? Yes, a part of the light can be reflected by the object, a part of the light can be transmitted by the object, and a part of the light can be absorbed by the object. So hi, this is Shivanand. Welcome to all of you in our channel. So today I'm going to discuss with you about the reflection of light. So let's start the video. But before starting the videos, like and share this video with your friends and subscribe this channel for more videos.
When a light is incident on the surface of the object, a part of light can be reflected by object, or a part of light can be transmitted or refracted by the object, or the other a part of the light is absorbed by the object. Now the amount of the light which reflected or transmitted or absorbed, it depends upon the quality of the material. If the object material is opaque, then the light is fully absorbed by the object, and if the object material is transparent, then the light can be transmitted or refracted. So today we are going to discuss about refraction of light. So refraction of light is the bending of lights when it travels from one medium to another medium. Let's understand by the glass slabs experiment. Let's take a glass slab. When light EF is incident on the glass slab's surface AB at point O, then it refracted by OO dash with the angle of refraction R1. The angle of incident is I1. Here the medium of outer side is air and medium of inner side is glass. Now here the light OO dash is working as incident for surface of DC. Now after the light is incident, it is refracted to outer side of the glass slab as GH. Here the angle of incident is I2 and the angle of refraction is R2. So the laws of refraction states that the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. The second law is the ratio of sine angle of incidence to the sine angle of refraction is a constant.
Hope you would like to this video. If you have any doubts and any queries, go to the comment section, ask your question. I will definitely try to resolve the question.
For more such interesting stuff, subscribe to our YouTube channel.